Hello everyone, my name is Rene van Rems. We are on the growing grounds of Mellano's ranunculus fields called the Carlsbad flower fields. And as such, we are now doing flowers right behind me in a workshop that has to produce flowers for the Field to Vase dinner. We are using all flowers that are grown literally 30 feet from my left here in these incredible bouquets, ranunculus, alstroemeria, and other flowers that Mellano and Company grows between Oceanside and the coast here in Carlsbad. The Field to Vase dinner is amazing. Not only are people going to sit in the middle of a 40-acre ranunculus ranch, pretty amazing by itself, but then they also have an ocean view because we are half a mile away from the Pacific Ocean, and we're going to start this whole affair in the sunshine and beauty and a glass of wine, and then it will be sunset, and it's all done with amazing food, wonderful people who have a passion for flowers.
Pleased and happy that they could all join us today and be here to celebrate our legacy and our time in the flower business. We say it often, we say it regularly, we're a family business, but our family extends beyond the name and beyond the blood. Okay? It's all the people here that I introduced that are the people that make it happen and are part of how we are able to thrive and continue to do what we love to do, and that's growing flowers in Southern California.